context-free grammar CFG type 2. And in CFG, on the left hand side there is always a single variable, and right hand side can be any combination of variable or terminal. So suppose we start with the 0 plus 1 whole star, and what will be the grammar for this? So we start with the start symbol S, and what can be the production for this 0 plus 1 whole star? As we know, either it can be epsilon, it can be 0, it can be 1, or it can be any combination of 0, 1. So we can write 0s or 1s. 0s or 1s, because after 0 it can be 1, or after 1 it can be 0. That's why we write 0s or 0, 1. So or we can write like this: S start symbol can be either epsilon, 0s or 1s. So if we write instead of s epsilon, so we can get 0, or if we write s instead of s we write epsilon here, so we can get 1. So this is the production: epsilon, 0s, 0, 1. Suppose we want to get that string 0, 1, 1. So how we can get it? We start with the start symbol S. We take 0s, this production, because initially we had 0s from this, and instead of s what we can write? 1s, this production, 1s. So what we get? 0, 1, 0, 1 here, and instead of s we again write 1s, because we want 1, so we write 1s. So we get 0, 1, 1. Now we can write instead of s as an epsilon, so we will get this string 0, 1, 1. So in that way we can get any combination of any string with these production. So these are the production for that language: s tends to epsilon, 0s, 1s. Now move to the next. Suppose we have 0 plus 1 whole star, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 1 whole star. So what we will get? We start with the start symbol, and as we know this is complete production, so we will write a single variable. For instead of this 0 plus 1 whole star, we write x, 0, 0, x. And what will be the production for x? It will be epsilon, 0x, 1x, as we see earlier, like this. So this is the grammar for this. Now move to the next: 0 to the power 2n, 1 to the power n, where n is always greater than or equals to 1. So what will be the minimum value? It can be, if n is 1, then it will be 0, 0, 1. And if n is more than 1, so we can write 0, 0, s1. Why we write s in middle? Because suppose if we write s in outside 0, 0, 1 and s, then what we will get? Suppose n value is 2, then what we will get? 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Suppose instead of s we again write 0, 0, 1. This is the production for this. So what we will get? 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 if n value is 2. That is wrong. And if we write s in middle like this, 0, 0, s1, then what we will get? Suppose n value is 2, then instead of s again we will write 0, 0, 1. So what we will get? 0, 0, 0, 0. Instead of s we will write 0, 0, 1 and 1. So this will be the correct string for this, because what we have, if n value is equals to 2, then what we will have? 0 to the power 4 and 1 to the power 2. So we will have 4, 0 and 2, 1. This is the correct one. That's why we write s in the middle. So these are the production for this: s tends to 0, 0, 1 or 0, 0, s1. So in that way we will get any combination of string. Now move to the next. What we have? 0 to the power n, 1 to the power n, 1 to the power m, where m always greater than or equals to 1 and m is less than n. So we have x, s start symbol s, 0x1. Why we write as a variable? Because we go further. X can be either 0, either can be 0x1 or 0x. Why it can be 0 here? Because n is greater than m. So 0 can be more than 1. That's why we write 1, 0 here. So it can be 0, 0, 1. Or it can be 0 or 1 combination. Or it can be more than 2, 0, 3, 0, like this. That's why we write 0x here. So we can put another 0 here, or any combination of 0, 1 here. That is depend upon the string what we want to get. That's why these are the production: s tends to 0x1 and x further tends to 0, 0x1, 0x. Now there are some important terms like this. For every regular language we can make CFG, but converse is not true. That means from every grammar we cannot make regular language. So every CFL does not have a regular language or regular expression. But we will have CFG for every regular expression.